There may be severity in lives of every individuals. There may be times that you may feel low. There may be times that you harness your energy, your positivity into the bitter end. But the thing is that you need to wake up and you need to sculpt yourself into a better human being. You need to sculpt yourself into a better individual, irrespective of the failures that you face in your life. The prime causes of depression and anxiety is that you have accepted that you are unworthy and you don't have people to communicate. Even though you are having the minimal friend circle around you, you need to talk to people around you or your family so that you carve out the depression and anxiety thing. It's not a medical thing. It's just uh, it's not a severity when you are diagnosed with the first attempt, but it may be severe when you are not talking to the people. Failure comes to each and every life, and we tend to fail at some point of life, but that doesn't mean that you are in that race that everybody is. You need not you you just don't need to join that group of superiority, the group which doesn't consider you as an individual, the group that is having a lot of complex things and a most apex level of superiority and complex ideas and ideology. You need to build your own group with your own people. So people are sometimes suffering from these things need to understand this, that it's your life and you need to pave a brick by brick and step by step procedure in order to carve yourself into something, like not taking yourself into unworthy situation, but to realize and think for a moment and to do minimal stuff that will make you happy, that will make you happy irrespective of what people think. So that's my tip of fighting against depression and anxiety. We can all share our stories about depression and anxiety and will helpful for fighting for it and will inspire people. And people shouldn't be hypocrite at the same time, like there shouldn't be having two faces in judging one people. If you're judging a people, you can judge it into a one way, but if you are judging a people into two different manner, then you are creating a split personality disorder perceptions in the eyes of that people. You are confusing the person, that you need to behave in a two different order on a way. So in order to be a stiff, strong and not flexible in the eyes of people, people need to take charge of themselves.